Welcome to the Dog News channel. I'm Jilly Comics, and our first person here, dog, is Jack. Who's a good boy? He's a good dog. What are you doing? What are you doing? And our second dog here is Brianna. She's the star of Doggo and Yoshi, all the Doggo and Yoshis, the trilogy. Good dog. Are you a good dog? He's like, what's going on? Oh, yeah. I'm not sure what's going on. His nickname is Jack. Jacko. And that's, Brianna's nickname is BB. What do you want? Do you want to go on a W? That's another word for walk. He goes crazy when I say it. Stop whining. Yeah, here's the Yoshi from somewhere. Hi. That's all there is for dog news. See you next time. Bye.